So this is my plan. I have a ball and I have a seagull, which is just there. Let me get a closer look. Catch, we're getting too squeezed there. And with this ball, we're going to see how smart the seagull is to think of its food or if it's something to ignore. Some seagulls are already falling for it. So now we're going to roll this ball to this seagull and see if he takes it away. Alright, ready? There you go. Nope, this seagull is one of the clever seagulls. He didn't actually fall for the ball. Which means I can do it again with another seagull. See the ball. Right, we'll try this seagull one more time. We'll see if he will actually pick the thing up. So, here's the ball. Right, watch this. Come on, seagull. Seagull. Oh, he's gonna... No, he's not stupid. That seagull's not stupid. He didn't fall for it. Get the bloody ball now again. Who's got long hands? Who's got long hands? Oh man. Anyone got longer hands than me? That. No. You've got a stick. You've got a stick or something for you? Perfect. Right. Oh man.
I took two in the puddle.
Oh, nuts.
What puddle?
This is drawing his time, isn't it? Raise the camera a minute and that's all.
That's fun.
You know Victoria Park, you want to reach over this way, so best of doing it. Stick your foot there, like this, on top of the rock, and you can normally go and look like that, your foot gets caught in your face. Seriously, it doesn't get caught with you. It's not funny. Oh my god.
Got stuck!
I am literally stuck. Alright now.
Just jump.
Count this. Oh, shit! I'm going to walk around and get it. Right, I'm going to find another seagull and try and give him the ball again. There is one. Cheers for that. We're almost a seagull that's playing on the ride over there, except by offering of a green ball. Maybe it's third time lucky. I've done it once today, so now I will try again. Mr. Seagull, no, don't fly away from me, Mr. Seagull. Mr. Seagull, come back. Sorry. Oh, well. Well, that was my first attempt trying to get the seagull to take a ball. We'll try again in a bit.